Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I have this Brady lock here for LOTO Tuesday. As you can see there, it is a LOTO takeout lock, obviously. And yeah, it says Brady, but it's basically made by Avis for Brady, my understandings. Pretty cool lock, still made in Germany. I believe it says on here somewhere. Yeah, right there, made in Germany. Damn, I kind of wanted to keep that box in better shape, but yeah, you can see there it also says Avis. It's a 4140. Yeah, made in Germany. Here's your key, works great. Has a mechanical lock here, so it's not shimmable, which is good. But you can actually remove the key when it's open. Oops. Takes a little bit of force, but nonetheless it is removable when the lock is open, which is probably not a good thing for a LOTO takeout lock. I don't think they're supposed to be able to do that, but anyway, still a pretty nice lock. Let's try to pick it open. Have not rehearsed this video, so let's see what it got. Let's see what it has for the sake of being real. Okay, you got a false set off of, I want to say 5. Can rotation from number 2, and oh, that was 3 or 4. So here's number 1. None of the other pins are given counter rotation. Hard to locate right under number 1. Oh, there we go. I forgot to mention too, offset hybrid, my go-to for these small Yale keyways. Actually, to be honest, this is my favorite pick from Sparrows. I don't tend to use Sparrows stuff too often because I find the shaft is too small, and there's a lot of play in this, a lot of bend in this. So I like thicker shafted picks like this here. That way I can use a little bit more pressure on them, and I tend to pick with heavier tension, and it's kind of what works for me. But yeah, kind of went off on a tangent there. It's still a pretty cool lock. Really fun to pick, actually. It's nice to see that there's spools even in their less secure products here. Yeah, for LOTO takeout, it's generally people in a machine type setting like that. If one of these locks are on a valve or a machine, you're going to check to see if it's being worked on before you need to take that lock off. And yeah, I doubt they're being picked for that reason. But there's a Brady for LOTO Tuesday there. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, leave a comment, and appreciate everyone's support, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.